At Digital Guard Dog, we're specialists in keyless technology for the vehicles of today, yesterday, and tomorrow. Are you a custom car enthusiast who's been wanting to add the latest hands-free keyless technology to your car or truck? Well, Digital Guard Dog has just what you need to do it right. Whether you own a custom, classic, street rod, resto mod, or something in between, the Digital Guard Dog PBS I and PBS II keyless ignition systems can provide you with complete hands-free operation of your vehicle's ignition system. Here's how they work. The PBS systems generate an invisible bubble of security around your vehicle. With your transmitter in your pocket, simply walk within range of your vehicle's RFID signal, and your ignition system is authorized automatically. You just get in, place your foot on the brake, push the start button, and your engine roars to life. Just push the button again to shut down your vehicle. Then you just walk away. As you leave the system's frequency range, the PBS automatically arms and your vehicle's ignition system is completely immobilized. If your vehicle has additional accessories, then select our PBS II system and expand your possibilities with 5 programmable output channels. And remotely control your shaved doors, power locks, power windows, remote trunk release, or whatever you desire, all from a single transponder key fob. All PBS systems are made in America, using only the highest professional grade materials and components, with exclusive features like onboard 60-amp relays, MSD filtering, factory grade harnessing, and dual mode transponder. PBS systems deliver the important extras you can only get from Digital Guard Dog. For the finishing touch, you can customize your install with our wide selection of different start button options. Start buttons are available in brushed stainless or anodized billet styles, with several different sizes and LED colors to choose from. We also offer a numerous assortment of OEM-style start buttons, all modified to specifically work with the PBS systems, giving you the freedom to create the perfect custom look you're after. So if you're building something special and want one unit that can do it all, look to the world's leader in keyless technology, Digital Guard Dog.